Čia didelė zona skirta neurologiniam mokslui. Visur smegenis, taip. Čia beje kažkoks pasirodymas dabar vyksta, kažkoks tai pristatymas. Ir ten irgi viskas toliau apie kūną dar. Žiūrėkit, jinai rodo visą žuvį. Čia ryklys.
They have a very particular kind of intestine that actually works in a spiral system. And then this shark was actually a female shark, but we can tell that through multiple different ways. Mainly the male sharks will have something called claspers, that'll run right down here and have a sharp rod on both sides. However, this fish, shark obviously does not, so she doesn't. Also, right up here, right underneath their liver, almost next to their heart, is where their reproductive organs lie. So these right here are actually the ovaries, right there. Where birth.
He's a baby.
The sharks reach almost full size also as well. So they're almost about the same.
Va čia labai įdomus yra eksponatas. Yra va toks žmogus guli. Ir galima judinti va šitą va dalį ir palei visą tą kūną, kur juda jisai. Matosi, pavyzdžiui, gali pasirinkti raumenis visus apžiūrėti dėmiai. Paskui galima kraujagyslių sistemą. Taip pat vat juda, va čia turbūt smegenis, kraujagyslės, taip. Tada virškinimo sistema. Visi organai, nervų sistema, kaip nerviniai impulsai. Čia smegenys su tas smarkiai susijusios, aišku. Ir skeletas. Galima vežti ir va čia dar įdomus eksponatas. Tokia moteriškė, jos vardas yra Tam. Gali pasirinkti bet kokį organą, pavyzdžiui, heart. Širdis. Parodo, pasakoja apie jį ir va čia jos yra visas kūnas, kur jis dega tada tas organas. Na, ką Kristoferis šiandien stato, mes šiandien antrą kartą atėjome šitą muziejų. Parodyk.
Then you have to have glasses to kind of help you see.
You have a glove on.
Okay, here's
You don't want to?
eyeball.
You don't have to.
You want to keep touching
Very
it?
cool.
Yeah, I think so too. Especially because I have terrible vision.
Yeah.
What's that little white ball inside the eye?
Is it like a jellyfish?
So that is the lens. So, you know,
Eyelashes.
when your eye is really, really big and really, really small,
eye.
so the part that grows is the lens. So it's the same size, just that muscle contracts and expands to cover it. So it's about this big, so it'll just make it seem really small or really big. It's cool, right? Do you want to touch a cow's eye?
This is an
You just got to put on a glove.
and fat.
Thank you.
I didn't know there's a lot of fat around the eyeball.
Yeah, it's all fat, and then there's some muscle in it. This darker part is muscle.
Oh, this one. So it's just around the eyeball?
Yeah,
It
so
was
it's just
around
around kind of the outside. So you can touch anything.
The lady says that the fat is for...
That's the outer part.
Okay, Maya wants me
Keeps
to
dirt out and other stuff. So cows come
feel it.
thicker than ours.
So
They're puffy.
the fat
Like dirt
is...
flat. So you guys can put on a glove.
Its function is when we shake our head, it's
So that liquidy stuff,
not
the
to...
aqueous humor
to
gives
crush the
eye
eyeball.
its shape. Because otherwise, look how I can flatten it out. Because it has that liquid inside of it, it won't
Squish.
flatten. So it'll keep that roundish shape.
Čia yra orų zona. Ten viduje žmonės dabar stovi ir ten jie gali ant savęs patirti vėją, netruputį lietų, tornadą ir taip toliau. Va, matot, jiems plaukai kaip juda. pučia jas labai smarkiai, jie kaip dabar uraganą patiria. Na, čia dar viena smagi zona. Čia galima rutuliukų trasą daryti. Šitie vamzdžiai yra su magnetais. Prie sienos pritvirtinami. Kas čia yra? Čia galima save iškelti. Čia galima va taip įsisukti kažkaip, tai mačiau žmogus įsisukęs. Čia įvairūs dalykai, kur pats su savim, žiūrėkit, va berniukas kur lipa. Čia kažkaip kyla žmogus, žiūrėkit, ant adatų guli, ant vinių. Įvairūs labai įdomus dalykai čia. O žiūrėkite. Žiūrėk, Maja, kaip rutuliukai skraido. Užstrik.